How to deactivate an Airbnb listing. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can delete your Airbnb listing or simply deactivate it. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now some hosts wish to permanently delete one of their listings for several reasons, which may include they sold the property, created it by mistake, or they are just choosing not to rent it out any longer. And if you wish to permanently remove a listing from your account, there are some of the instructions you need to follow. Now if you have not yet completed your listing, you can either delete it using the app or complete the listing and then follow the instructions as said in this video. Just click on host and then manage listings, and then choose the listing you wish to manage from your Airbnb web page. And after you do that, you can permanently deactivate your listing by selecting the listing details tab, going to the listing status section, and then choosing the option called edit. Once you go to edit, right over here you'll find the option called deactivate listing, and once you click on it, a pop-up screen will likely appear where you can enter a reason and then choose the option called deactivate my listing. Once you've done that, your listing would have been successfully deleted. That's all it takes to deactivate your Airbnb listing. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.